Have you ever wondered why some people are getting rich from business? I'm not talking about tech startups. I'm not talking about influencers. And I'm definitely not talking about crypto. I'm talking about businesses that most people ignore. Businesses like cleaning trash bins. Yes, trash bin. While most people scroll past these opportunities, some entrepreneurs are quietly building six-figure income. So how does this work? Imagine a neighborhood with 1,000 homes. Every week, residents roll their trash bins to the... Over time, those bins become dirty, smell. Nobody enjoys cleaning them. That's where the opportunity begins. A trash bin cleaning service uses specialized equipment. Customers pay a monthly fee. Let's say you charge $20 per month, and you get just 200 customers. That's $4,000 per month in recurring revenue, not from hundreds of products, not from millions of followers, just from solving one annoying problem. And that's the secret of many successful small business. They don't chase attention. They solve problems. The bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. People pay for convenience every single day. They pay to have their lawns mowed. They pay to have their windows cleaned. They pay to have their pools maintained. They pay to have their trash bins clean. These businesses may not look exciting on social media, but they generate real cash flow. Many entrepreneurs love these boring businesses because there's less competition. Most people want glamorous businesses. Very few want to clean things. And that's exactly why the opportunity exists. Many of these businesses don't require huge startup. The biggest challenge isn't money. It's mindset. Successful entrepreneurs ask a different question. Does this business solve a real problem? Customers don't pay for cool. They pay for solutions. Sometimes the fastest path to success is through a business. If you enjoyed this video and want more real-world business